My father bought some classic vehicles years ago, so I would like to show you some of them from my personal collection. And also there will be a mystery car, so if you can guess what it is, please feel free to comment below and I'll reveal it to you at the end of the series. So please sit back, enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, share, plus also remember to subscribe as well. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoy. Classic cars have come a very long way over the years, from restoring original cars back to pristine condition or customising and fabricating new designs to draw the eye to the attention of detail. I would like to say thanks for watching this series, and I hope that all of the videos have been of some help to people that might have needed some advice for new ideas where to purchase their project car, all the way down to the best advice and tips. When it comes to classic cars, the best advice I could give is do as much research into your project as possible, but then get as many contacts as you can, but mainly have as much fun as possible as well. With what my father taught me, I will be able to finish off what he started years ago and be very proud of my work no matter what task I will face in the future. All I can say is since I was young I worked hard and showed a great deal of interest, but the best thing for me was that I had a great teacher. Since I started this series, I asked people to comment in the section below what they thought the mystery car would be, and I got some real good responses, but now I would like to reveal it to you. The mystery car is a 1978 Series 3 Land Rover. This marvellous car was purchased years ago as a present from me to my father for £800, and we picked this vehicle up on eBay. After we got the car home, I started work on it straight away and sorting out the main problems, and decided to customise some parts. The Land Rover came with standard wheels, but a few weeks later I upgraded to the bigger, more durable rims and tyres. As this vehicle can have parts taken off to repair or fix very easily with spanners, you can work on them with no problems. When me and my father used to take long road trips to pick up other motorbikes or car parts, we used to sit back and enjoy some nice music on our custom 4-way speaker box. Another great main feature is the checker plate dashboard with custom kill switches for the lights and the other accessories. And finally, nothing would make this vehicle more complete with a great set of lights for the floor pan to help brighten it up at night. The Land Rover company really have come a long way, and they've shown us that they can make a great all-terrain vehicle that is virtually unstoppable, with being able to go many places where no normal car or 4x4 has ever gone before.
Well, I rolling out tumble.